Hey guys and gals, it's Sean again. Wanted to show you this real life, right? So I am using my own cars, and then I got the wife and kids. So I cleaned out. There's a lot of hair bands and lipstick and everything, and the kids use a ton of different things, like because I said we're in a place that's fairly sunny, California, Southern California, and the kids use sunblock, right? Don't want to get cancer or anything like that, right? So we use sunblock a lot. So the kids use mineral sunblock, and parents understand this is out there, and it's important to wear sunblock. And then this new mineral sunblock is out there, and they have the Teslas have new vegan leather, right? And so with that, it absorbs like all oil, everything. It's something I immediately noticed when I got my Tesla. Like you touch it and your handprint's on there, and then it disappears a little bit. But point is that things happen. Kids are they eat fries, and then it gets on the upholstery, right? So we're trying to teach them to be careful with the things that they have. But of course, things happen, and you want to keep your car luxurious, premium. You work hard for this, so I want to show you. That was just an intro to kind of what you're going to see here. Okay, so see, this is sunblock all over these things. There's different little things, and I try to keep the car clean. As I told you, I've been in the auto industry, so I know what a clean car is and how to keep it clean. And some of the products that I used before really just didn't do it. And so we formulated some really cool stuff here that work. So I'm excited to show you all-purpose cleaner. Here you go, the all-purpose cleaner. I think this is going to be the real go-to. The hero for everybody to try first. If you don't want to try all of our products right away, this one hopefully will convince you, right? Once again, these are made with different caps. Either a seal inside that you pop off, or this foil right here, and then it's for shipping, right? So make sure things don't get everywhere. And then, like I said, so if you put this in like that, the sprayer is going to stick out because the tube is a little bit longer, so you have to push it down. Reason for that is we want to make sure that we can get everything at the bottom, right? So and just the general manufacturing of these. So there's that. It's all set, and I keep on forgetting to turn the off button or turn off the off button, the screw. So you gotta move the nozzle. Stream, I'm not a big fan of stream. Spray, okay? So as you can see, once again, let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. Oh man, look at that. Come on, kids. Come on. All right. They're older now, so they can be in the front seat. So let's see. Spray. Let's get this camera over here a little bit better. Spray. I've got the tripod, can move up here. This stuff is amazing. I was shocked because the sensitivity of the vegan leather, right, it's like one of the things, like you're like, oh man, I got this amazing car, and it's all new technology. It's the stuff that we're going to go forward with in the future. Electric hybrid. And I got this cool car, and then the seats get dirty so quickly you would not believe it. So I don't have to tell everybody that those that own Teslas, it's one of the top complaints, along with the spray on the side of the window, from your windshield wipers, and the spray. So I'm just getting the grooves out here and making sure that it's dry And then you will see, I should have taken a before and after picture, not just a video, but I can get stills, I think. I'm just spraying just to make sure that I got it. I don't see it though. Yeah, I think on the video you can see I don't see it. That was just precautionary. Oh, there's some right there on the side. See how that pops up? Chemical manufacturing company that I built this with. They got some great products here. Oh, I missed that one. Okay. Okay. So let that air dry a little bit. I think you can see it already though. So actually let me get another wipe down on the dry side here. And then what I like to use I like to use these little brushes too. It's not, I don't sell them or anything. I think I got them on Amazon. But if you do that, all the little crumbs start disappearing, or you use a vacuum, whatever. But there you go. You got the, can you believe that? Look at that. Unbelievable, right? Just disappeared. All right, I'm gonna take a little snapshot. I'm gonna take my things out of the way. Maybe have that in the background. But yeah, so let's see. Take a picture, boom. All right, it does a good job. I'm really impressed with it. Lucky. And then, of course, my other one that I can show you is the glass cleaner for the screen. So, you know, that's kind of what they call it, like a, you know, a little bit of a next up kind of situation. So next up, glass cleaner. Thanks again.